In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted your Snapchat account and 30 days have passed, then it means that Snapchat account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted Snapchat account, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type snapchat.com/support. Click on search. Scroll down and click on this contact us option. Then tap on I cannot access my account. Then select the last option. I see an error message when I log in. Okay, now in order to recover your permanently deleted Snapchat account, you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter your username, email address and mobile number that was linked with your deleted Snapchat account. Then enter the device on which you were using Snapchat. After that, in this box, you need to mention the date on which you started facing this issue. And then in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, do not forget to mention your email address and phone number that was linked with your deleted Snapchat account. Once you have done that, tap on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Snapchat account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.